In this video, I'll show you how to add photos as a watch face on your Apple Watch. I'm using the Series 10 for the demonstration, but the process works the same way on all the other Apple Watches, be it Series 8, 9, 11 or the Ultra. So there are two ways to do it. You can do it from your phone or you can do it directly from the watch itself. First, let's see how to do it directly from the watch. Go to the app drawer and open the Photos app. Just open any photo, tap on Share button, scroll down and select Create Watch Face. Here you'll see two options, Kaleidoscope and Photos. Select Photos and Done. Now the photo is set as a watch face. By long pressing on the home screen, you can customize the watch face. You can adjust the size and position of the time, the fonts, the numerals, the style of the photo and the color of the clock. You can even add two complications to it. Now to use this method, you'll need to add photos from the iPhone to the Apple Watch. To learn how to do that, tap on the I button. The other method is by using your connected iPhone. So first things first, make sure that your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. Now, open the Photos app and select the photo that you want to set as a watch face. Tap on the share icon, scroll down, tap on Create Watch Face and select the Photos watch face. Make the adjustments, edit the elements as per your preference. When you're done, tap on the Add button. The photo will be set as a watch face on your Apple Watch. And that's it. If you found this video informative, then leave a like and subscribe for more wearable videos. Thanks for watching.